In front of me is Nokia 5.1 Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then select the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome, and then select more icon. In my case it is here, tap on history, and here tap on clear browsing data. You will find here two options, so you've got basic and advanced features. Under basic you can find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and then in advanced you will find also saved passwords and autofill from data. Just mark those info that you would like to remove. Actually I would like to delete everything, so I will leave everything marked, and finally select the time range, so just click here and then pick the option that you would like to apply, and in my case it will be all time. Finally tap on clear data and confirm by tapping on clear. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history in your device, you've just clear browser. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.